What's the meaning of beefsteak? Beefsteak. Beefsteak.
Beefsteak. Beefsteak. Beefsteak is a type of meat cut from the muscle of a cow, typically taken from the hindquarters. It is a thick, juicy slab of meat that is usually cooked by grilling or frying and is a popular dish in many cultures around the world. In addition to being a good source of protein, beefsteak is rich in vitamins and minerals such as iron, zinc, and vitamin B12. It is often served with a variety of side dishes, including vegetables, potatoes, and sauces. The flavor and texture of beefsteak can vary depending on the cut of meat, its quality, and how it is prepared.